Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Facebook Messenger on your desktop. So guys, when you are on your Facebook, always you have to chat anyone so you can open on Messenger, but it always be on web page, something like that. So guys, as you can see, the Messenger has launched for your desktop. You can see the over here URL messenger.com desktop. So you can just simply hit to download over here. You can see it start getting download. Wait for a while, and once it's finished, just hit to open. It will take little time to install. And you can see welcome to Messenger. We will minimize this, and now you can sign in with Facebook or sign in with your mobile or email. We are going to sign in with Facebook. When you're going to click to sign in, it's going to open this kind of page, and if your account is logged in, you have to just click and hit just open. And you can see it will pop out over here signing in, or also you can see on the behind background you can also scan the QR code. And now just you can simply cut this, and whenever you want you can use Messenger on your desktop, and you can chat with your friends, your family members. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if this video was helpful for you, so guys, please leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.